So I forgot my mic for this one. Left it at home. It happens. So the sound on this one may be a little much eventually. So I'm walking into this place. Obviously sort of abandoned, I think. I don't think I'm going to film the entire walk. Oh wow, lots of broken markers out here. Probably a lot that are lost and buried under the dirt. You'll just never see again. Joe Morris, World War I, completely covered up by the fallen leaves. Just there are dozens and dozens like this in here. I can't even really see any markers out in that, but I can see markers all along the edge of that clearing right there. So it's probably full. This big piece of granite here is broken off. And I really am just surrounded by them right through here. And that little wooded section's full also. You can see how small the trees are. So they are fairly newish. That's where I was just filming, and I saw this. I don't know where this goes, but I'm already not very far in, and I see this, and it looks like it's part of it's been used as a dumping ground by somebody in the past, but I can see that buried in there. Oh, that's difficult. Yeah, sometime in the past this has definitely been used as a dump. And as unused as this is, there is actually remnants of a road beneath me. It has overgrown as this has become. I can still see markers back in there. Not sure I want to climb back in there though. So on this roadway, and this large fellow's blocking it, so I have to go around. And going around, just the age of that tell you how long it's been here. This is shocking. I don't know how well this is showing up on the video. Just row after row of sunken in sections and headstones back in there. See one laying right there. It's just entire sections of terrain sunken in. And if you know anything, those are graves. All of this. Oh, this is just sad. on the video, every one of these little pieces of white you see is a grave marker. And it's so fallen in and deteriorated, I don't even think I could walk back there. All of these are sunken in to the point I want to think they have all been removed. I would love to think that, but I'm probably wrong. Okay, this is the second road. Probably breathing a little heavy. There was a big hill coming back to this part. That's okay. And yeah, there's paved roadway underneath all of this. Let's try out through here. As I said earlier, a lot of this has sunken in. Lorenzo Sims, 1960. I have no doubt all of that is full. As far as I can see, this is an entirely other section that I have not been in yet. So amid all the dumped tires and grave markers, someone tried a little bit, at least have some respect written on it. And it's obvious most people did not.